CLB5 in French can guarantee you the permanent residency in at least 5 different provinces, and it can also get you at least 2 years of work permit extension as well. So how you can do this, I'm explaining everything in this video. Hey, my name is Nitish. I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant based in Edmonton, Alberta. So you can always reach out to me for any of your immigration needs. So the first program which you can target is FCIP, which is Francophone Community Immigration Pilot Program. This program right now is active in 6 different communities and across 4 different provinces, which is Ontario, New Brunswick, Manitoba, and BC, which is British Columbia. So all you need to do is you need to go there, you need to find the job in any of the 6 communities, and you have to have CLB5 in all 4 modules, and that's it. If you can find the jobs like cashier, food counter attendant, retail sales supervisor, food service supervisor, cooks, all of these are actually priority occupations under this program. So you can literally get any of these jobs and be eligible to apply for your permanent residency after getting the endorsement letter. The second program is New Brunswick's Francophone Initiative Program, under which all you need to do is you need to live there in the New Brunswick for at least 6 months and have to have a job offer, and that's it. So New Brunswick has been giving the invitation to people who have the job offer in any sector, doesn't matter which kind of job you have. If you are meeting both of these eligibility requirements, the 6 months living criteria and second the job offer, that's it, and you will get the invitation as soon as you will finish those. Number third is Alberta PNP. So Alberta has a separate quota for the people who have CLB5 in all the 4 modules, and you are eligible for at least any of the PNP streams which is in Alberta right now. So if you can do both of these things, you can easily get your PNP invitation without even a minimum score kind of criteria as well. So number 4 is Ontario PNP. So even though we all know that right now Ontario PNP is not active, but I think when it will come back, it will have the Francophone mobility specific target draws again, which they had it before, because right now in Canada, everybody is doing that. So I can definitely assume whenever the streams are back up online, they will definitely have this too. So should you need any kind of assistance or you need to understand which can be your PR pathway, you can always reach out to me. I can help you and guide you better. Good luck.